So the whole training will do like that only. I will do, together we'll practice. So you can do the practice together with me. So will be any issue that we can solve here itself. So everybody can log into the IMG SPRO. We start with the interview structure, definition part. I already showed you. This is the thing we have to do. This is the thing we have to do. We have to create this structure. So these are things in finance, accounting, and controlling like that. So we'll do those things. So we'll go for finance, accounting. First, a define company. So everybody able to follow. Everybody able to follow. So any doubts, you can call. I can notify me. First, go for define company. So under definition, finance account, define company. So define company. New entries. Do an identification. It's not a code, it's just identification. So I'll make a new company today. So I'll make RTS. It's RTS setting already there. RKS is a 5-character code. Basically something. Name. So RKS. Some name. Then all that is not yet. City is mandatory. Give some city. I mean Mumbai. Country is IN. India. You can search from the list also here. Language key English. And the currency INR. Enter, save that. So everybody able to do this. Are all of you doing this one? Whoever got the server link, are you following this?
It is actually you are doing, so it is showing log, right?
Getting logged down.
Yeah, because you are in that node, right?
Yeah.
So yeah. So once you will complete, then only others, but one by one can, I think, can do it.
Okay. So try if we put SM12, it will log off other links. Okay. So I'll do one thing. So we'll go part by part as I told you earlier. First I'll do the finance accounting, the till credit control area. I'll stop, then you can try that. So the company, I'll save this one. If your request is not there, click on create button, make the request.
I'm not able to enter into the SPRO. Like this GUI is new for me.
Okay. So once you log on to this one, this is the log on screen. This ECXS menu.
That command space I'm not getting there. That where we enter the T code. That space I don't have in my screen. Like just sharing my screen, please.
Yeah. Can you share the screen? Yeah.
You see.
Okay, here. Okay, here. So try find option. Okay, otherwise see that change that layer in this theme. No, this for that E6, not for SPRO. Not this one.
Okay.
So try with that another theme. This if you go to the signature theme, will be very I think will be fine. So for that, how we have to click on this. So that arrow, this. Yeah, go for settings. Yeah, down you go for setting. Not the settings. So you got go for GUI settings. So click on here under that S4H 100. Click on that arrow, down arrow button.
Here, this thing you're talking
about? Yeah, this one. Scroll up. The left side scroll up. Left side scroll up. Okay, not this one. So cancel this one. So here E6 menu execute. Down setting is down. The right side down setting is check that one.
Right side down.
Setting. the corner, right side corner settings, that settings icon is there, no? Down, 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 down. Last, yeah, there are down, down. Yeah, click on that one. Yeah. Okay, here also not. So not that one. Close this one.
That is not SAP, I think.
Yeah, not that one. So otherwise,
execute.
So whether I'll be able to control your screen.
Yeah, you can take you can take the control.
How to do that one?
Once click on user menu.
No, user that will not work. I think user not that. So here. The right side icons, one by one, click on that right side icon, click one by one down, right side. Yeah, not that one. In the right side, we try those things. What are things are there?
Click on exit. Click on exit.
Log off.
Oh, it is log off that.
Okay, so how to take the control of your screen?
You can request for control, I think.
So user menu, favorites.
What happens if you click on menu? What are the options it is showing?
Yeah, here go for settings, down second
settings,
one, down.
Go to
settings, yeah. This go for
visual
visual
design.
go for visual design. Not this one. Okay, theme. Select the theme there. Yeah, change the theme there. Yeah. Go for signature will be easy, and that'll be yeah. So for SAP signature theme. Scroll down. Signature theme is there or not? It's not there, huh? Okay.
Check what is horizon. SAP horizon.
So log out and log in again.
अरे ऋषभ, अरे एक एस्केलेशन आला आहे ते बॉम्बार्डर कोट क्वेश्चन म्हणून काहीतरी त्या साड्या
Oh, it is web.
Okay, log in again. I'll take first you log in. Log in. I'll take control and.
I logged in.
Okay, so I'll take control. Accept my request. So you got the request?
Yes. Allowed.
Okay, so I'll try it here. So this is the this one menu. What is showing menu? Edit, execute system, and new G window. User profile services. This is SAP menu. So here, so it was in the system client screen. Not this one. That is another thing. Shipping go here. only web version. So find option, technical name is a regular setting. So what else is here? So not this one. This one. So first we have changed that quartz theme. Where we find that one? Where is that was in?
Under the menu settings.
Yeah, one second. Menu is okay. Edit. Favorite extras. Start transaction. System. So here J will be user profile services. So first we made a company. That SPO not coming issue we'll check later. So we'll check later after
That issue got resolved.
Okay, fine.
That got resolved.
Okay.
I
Fine,
found
fine,
that
fine.
setting.
Okay, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. So first we made a company. That's the credit control area. So I'll try this one. We'll try this. I'll finish the finance accounting part. We'll try whether you are able to practice or practice. We'll check that. So next we define credit control area. So this is go for new entries. Some code. So what we created RPS. So what we created was okay. We didn't finish. Yeah, this RKS. Okay. So here go for credit control area. New entries. Some code. So I'm giving RKS C, currency, INR. So this setting I will explain later. When you go for credit management topic, I'll explain this part again. So I'll save this one. So in a company is RKS and credit control is RKSC. So next one is so you can fill that description also. So for RKSC. So I can give the name. I can give the name to like this. I can give like. So we'll save this one. So now come back. Next the company code. So company code get copy from the demo company code. Then you get to edit that. So this will complete. Then you can try practicing. So this one, go for copy edit. Copy the company code, demo company code. Copy option. Copy organizational object. From company code, you can take 001. So model company from SAP. That's a US based US dollar. So go for your company code. That is. So what do you get? RKS or what I gave that? Let me 1 second. So that was RKS. So RKS. So go for company code. Copy. This 4-character code. Can up to 4 character in RKS. Enter. Click yes for the company. Copy the GL account. Click here no because we copied the salary assigned to the under company code. So click no here. Then click yes for the currency change. Currency INR. Enter. So again enter. Again enter. Keep on entering. It's copying the number inches and the tables. So enter again. So keep on entering every screen. Click yes again. We get keep on entering. We are copy because contains the common between GL accounts and finance settings. So that we need the help of the finance accounting consultant. So we are copying that. Okay, it's copied. So can you try this now? So these three parts. Try to do this one. We'll check what's working or not. Otherwise, we'll continue with the new topics. So just try now. Whether you able to create these three things one by one. So try together like so. Lock entries can try SM to lock entries deletion. So whoever got the server link and able to log in, please try these three steps. Company, credit control area, company code. So are you trying? So server link you had to get from the. So who asked for server link? So that I think they'll be given after the session. So who wants the server link? I didn't say the name. Prem Kumar.
I didn't get the link.
The link is in the email with your server credential that was shared.
Can you share it again? I didn't get the mail.
Did you not get your server credentials as well?
Yeah, I get the.
Sorry?
In the same mail?
Yeah, it's in the same mail.
Okay, thank you. Let me see.
So others, are you trying others? That three steps. Abhay Joshi, are you trying that one?
Yeah, I have already defined the company code.
Okay, you already told. Yeah. So now to Paragarya, are you trying that?
No, because you are doing so, I stopped it now.
Try that. So I showed three steps. Try to do these three steps. Company, credit control area, company code.
Okay. Otherwise, you can continue. We will do after the this training. This session basically.
You can continue. We will practice after this call. You can continue your topics.
So then what we'll do is, so do you want me show this interview structure creation again one more time? Shall I show you? Shall I show the structure, complete structure one more time? And maybe this I will allow for you to practice later. But after this, after the main topics, you got to practice together with me in the class. That's how I planned the training. So because interview structure is so long and it will be a lot of time for each one of you complete. So this you can do later, but the coming classes, what are topics and taking, you have to practice with me together. So that will be that's the way I planned the training. Okay. So all of you, do you want me show the structure again, or you can follow yesterday's video? Shall I show one more time? Definition assignment part, one more structure you want to create, and you can see the refer the video, or you can see later.
I don't think so. It is required. Like we can follow your yesterday video or today's video.
Yeah.
So did anybody else try this? What I told, anybody else tried now? Okay,
Yes.
then okay. So, I didn't get.
Puneet here, I did.
So 3 steps get done, now. Okay. So anybody else tried? Okay. So this part maybe you can do later. So when you come back for the class tomorrow, so you should be completing the structure and come and continue the class tomorrow. So it's a base structure. Based on this only, you can do all the practice in coming classes. So please complete this by tomorrow. After the classes, we can complete this process. Any doubt is there, you can check tomorrow. Okay, so we'll continue the topics, other topics now. So this is structure we have made. We're going to get a structure yesterday with the definition assignment part. Please complete these things today before tomorrow's class. Okay, so you complete the structure. So this is steps I told you. We have done the definition assignment part for the interview structure. We have done this one. Okay, so next one was, so in the step what has been done, you can see that here. So first the interview structure we have made with the definition assignment. Next one is masters. Okay, so masters. First the customer master data, then the material master data. So customer master data will contain the customer details, and material master data will contain the material details. And later link both of them with the customer material info record. Okay, so today we'll start with the BP master. So next step is so we are continuing the BP master now. So next step is, process is BP master. BP master already you know that is the business partner master data. Partner master data. Basically that's a customer for SD purpose, it's a customer master data. Okay, so that's a major difference between ECC and S/4HANA in the BP master. You know already in the ECC what code we are using for customer master creation, what code in the ECC? Do you remember?
XT01.
That was XT01. So do you know what's for supply master data?
Yeah,
MK01.
SK01, central customer supply is SK01. Okay, so there is these are 2 codes for the customer and the supply master data. So there was a problem in this one. That was a disadvantage was there. So suppose there's a person called V1000 customer. He is having a customer C1000, code is C1000, and the same person is a supplier for me. So he's his customer. He's buying from me. The same person supplying the raw material to me also. So his code is the same person. Both are same persons. So customer also same, supplier also same. So in the ECC what happened? We can make a separate master for both of them. Supply master separately, customer master data separately. So there was a problem in that. Suppose we are having the contract person, or we have the sales employee or the bank contact, like sales employee. So like that, for the same person, we have the control person or inside the supply place or customer place. So in that ECC, there is a problem in linking these things with the master data. We have both the same person, but different master data. There is a difficulty in making this control person sales employee linked in the master data, in the customer and the supply master data. So to remove this thing, basically what the scenario is, both persons are same. In the S/4HANA, we have the T code called BP. The T code is BP. Translation T code is BP, not XD01. For customers data in S/4HANA, T code is not XD01. This BP. T code is BP. It's a T code. Since here what happened, the same master data, the same BP master data, we can have the same we can link both the customer and supply. The BP master data, there are three roles that we call it roles. Okay, same supply person, same master data. We get the customer as well as the supplier. In the same master data, we can link both the customer and the supplier. Customer and master made in the same window. Okay, so in this case, we can link the contact person or sales employee commonly to the customer and supplier master data. So are you getting the point? Are you able to follow me? So there are the BP2 code, we can make customer and supplier both in the same screen. Are you able to follow?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what about Vinod? Are you able to follow? Pradeep?
Yes, Shekhar.
Okay. So anybody else has doubt, you can stop me and ask.
Yes, so Shekhar, Puneet here. I have a question.
Okay.
So
okay.
this is related to the interface that it changed to the BPT code and it has roles. So what about the database tables? Is the data still getting stored in KNA1, LFA1, or is it different tables?
So BP master table hasn't changed. It's the same table only.
So the data goes in the backend in the same tables.
Yeah. So let me check it. Just confirm that. Okay, I'll confirm that. I can confirm that one. So this is two masters, customer supply, both person in the same master data, same BP master data. We have both customer and a supplier. So already you know the was that one. Okay. So in this case, we were both the masters in the same window. Okay, so this is done through some role. So done through some BP role. So in the ECC, what we are having, the ECC. So BP roles. The ECC, in the master data, customer master data, we have three sections. One is the general data. Do you remember what are other two sections in the customer master data?
Sales and finance.
Yeah, sales and finance. Like that, for customer supply master data also, again general data and purchase and finance. Purchase and finance. Is the supply master data. So here in the BP T code in the S/4HANA system, these are replaced by roles. They are replaced by roles. So for example, for customers data, we have three roles. One is the general role, the same like what are in the old system, general role, and supply customer role. For customer is customer role, and also finance. We call it customer finance role. So these are three roles in the S/4HANA BP master. So first, whether it's a customer or supplier, first we'll make a general role. So general, there will be two. So in the customer data, there will be two codes. For example, in the old EC, we have a code like C1000. Like that in the BP master in the S/4HANA, we'll get two codes. Two customer. One is BP code. So there are two codes. One is BP code. That's a general role code. So general role will be common for a customer and supplier. The general role will be common for a customer and a supplier. So in the BP role, so there will be three different roles in the supply customer data. Okay, this BP general role. So there will be one BP role is one is general. Okay, so already we have the BP. So BP role, there are three roles. So in this one, the general will be common for both the customer and supplier. So there are two code now. So one is the BP code for general role. So one code for the general role, code for general, and code for the customer, code for the customer master data, code for customer. Like that in the supplier master data also. So this general code will be common for both the customer and supplier. The BP code transaction, the general code will be common for both the customer and supplier. And for customer master data, we code customer, and supplier master data, one more code for the supplier master data. So this is a concept. In the BP role, in the BP master creation, there are two codes created for the BP master. One for general role, that's common for the customer and supplier. And for the customer master data, will be customer role, and supplier master data will be supplier role. So this is a concept. So are you able to follow this one? Are you able to follow?
Yes,
Okay.
Sekar, in the test, is already set up that we can look at. Like, this is both customer and vendor.
Actually, your voice is breaking. Please repeat again. Your voice.
Punit here. So I wanted to check if there is some master data already set up in the test system that we can look at, or we need to create some master data for our test, or maybe for practice.
So already you are getting the structure, interface structure. Everything will be created by you. So everything you should create by yourself. Yeah. Okay. So that will be better for practice. Okay. So once you build the interface structure, you can go for a beep master. What I am showing today, you can practice that, and so like that you get to follow. Everything will be created by ourselves new. I will show the what are the standard also, the demos company also, but you have to do by yourself everything, all the steps. Okay. So this is a concept of the beep master S/4HANA. This is about the roles. So the general role, customer role, and for customer finance role. And again, one more thing is account groups. So the account groups. So that we are having in the ECC, we are having the account group, vendor account group, and supplier account group, customer account group, supplier and customer account groups. For the S/4HANA BP, we need two account groups. So there in the ECC for XT01 or XK01, we had only one account group for the supplier, one account group for the customer. But in the BP in the S/4HANA, we have two account groups. One is for general role, one for general role, one account group for general role, and another account group for customer or supplier. Okay, so these are two account groups to be made. And you'll have number range, like earlier how we did the XT01, XK01 with number ranges, same concept, but you have two number ranges. So one for general role, one number range. So number range for the general role, and the number range for the customer master data, customer number range. So there are two number ranges in the S/4HANA system, one for general role, one for the customer role. Okay, this is a major difference in the S/4HANA BP system. So forward practice, what we will do, first to make the account groups for general role as well as the customer role. First I'll show in the how to create the BP master, then I'll go through the configuration part. Okay, so everybody able to follow me? Any doubts? Any not able to follow? Anybody have any issues? I can tell me. Do you want any more clarification? You can ask me. Okay, shall we continue?
Yes.
Okay. So we'll see in the system. One thing I think. So I think that material was there. So the master data. So what we're doing basically will be my custom master data. So this is a master data. So okay, let me check further. So this is a bottom master data. So basically, to make the transaction, order, shipping, or billing, so that will contain partner function also. So partner function I already explained to you that sold to party, shipped to party. So they are made with the BP master setup. It's already, so in the customer master data, we have sold to party, shipped to party, partner functions. So who places order, he is a sold to party, to whom the supplier sends the item through delivery, that's a shipped to party. And whom the customer sends, the supplier sends the bill, he is the bill to party. And who pays for the customer side, who is the payer, accounts department payer. And for commonly there are 4 partner functions. So one branch can the order, place the order. So another factory can receive the order, receive the items, materials, and the account department can receive the bill, and their account department can make the payment. So this we'll see later, the partner function. So this is a concept here. So this again, like this, you can get different partner functions. This will come later. So what is the bottom of the data? So it will come to this slide later because it contains other masters. So I'll take this slide later. So what I'll do, we'll go for the in the system. I'll show you now how to make the BP master. So go here, BP master. For BP master. So there's no the BP master. There's no path here. There's no path here. So your title type here BP, the T code is BP, not XC01 or XK01. So BP, T code is BP. So this is a customer BP master screen. We have 3 things: person, organization, group. Now it is in find mode. Now it is in find mode. If you try with the XT01, bold the T code. So this is the thing bold earlier in the ECC we are using. This one, this screen can remember. This is the ECC screen. But here this is the new thing. So it will again go to the new setup only. So it will not take the bold XT01. Okay, so first I'll show how to make the BP master in the easy access menu. Then we'll go for the configuration part. Okay, so we'll go for the first create. I'll show the one create on the customer master data. Then we'll go for the configuration part. So this is the business partner screen. We can create the business partner as a single person or an organization, like a factory or a company, or can be a group of people. There are 3 options to make a business partner here. Okay, so I will take organization. Let us show these 2 things later. We will go for the organization. So the customer is a company or organization. So go for click on organization. Click on organization. So this organization screen, create organization, and you can see different things. This address window. We have different tabs. This is a role I told. This is a role I told. This is a BP master general role. That is 6 zeros. That's a BP general role. And you go for FLC. That role is FLC. FLC U01 for customers data. FLC U00 is for FI customer. So what I told about this here, the customer and the general data. These 3 roles are mapped there. The 3 roles is one is the general role, and for customers data is FLC. FLC can type FLC will come. This is for FI customer is FLC 100. FLC use 00 for FI customer. FLC U0 for SD customer. Okay, and so if you go for supplier is FLV. Supplier is FLV and FLV N00 for finance supplier, and FLV N01 for MM supplier. Okay, these are the roles generally we use. And if you for credit, later you'll see the credit management. For the credit management, that one more role is there. For credit management, that is U for credit management. This is for credit management. So we'll be basically using for our SD purpose, we'll be using 4 roles: general role, then the customer role, customer finance role, and we'll use the credit manager role also. Okay, so I'll show how to make a Beatmaster now from the S4 HANA system. And this is a, first we have selected the general role. First we select the general role. And here the grouping is there. This is account group I told. This account group I told. We'll have two roles, two groups, one for general, one for customer supplier. And in the IMG setting, I link those, these two accounts will link. Once you link the two groups, this group will take a group here. So in the back end in the IMG, I will get the groups and link both of them, general role good number range and the customer role number range. And now for our practice, I'll take the first one. Internal number range, a standard number range, number group and number range. I'm taking that one. In this group, in this number range group, there are two groups are linked. One is in the I told you two roles. This two general code and the customer code. So this both are linked in the IMG screen. That's why we had select only one number group, that is 777 standard number range. Now give the title. So we can make a one title also. During the configuration part, I'll show how to get one title, like we want factory or something else. You can make your own title also. So I'll show later in the part how to do that. Give the name of the customer now. So I give some name like KRF and Co, something like that. So name of the customer. So here so you can make all the field mandatory optional. Later also how to make this field settings and all. So as of now, these are optional fields. So this is a mandatory entry. So where you see this, yeah, please.
Shekhar, actually I have doubt here.
Okay.
Vinod here. So
okay.
You are showing that create. Can you please open that screen?
Yeah.
Create in BP role drop down.
Okay.
From which table those drop downs are coming, and the grouping also.
Okay. Let me finish this one. Okay, then table part I'll go.
Actually, before creating these things, we need to know from which table those drop downs are coming, right? Then only we can assign these things.
Yeah, that's but first we'll go through the process. I'll update you. I'll update about that. So we'll go through the process. I'll update you. Okay, I'll update about the tables. First, let us go through the process first. Complete the full process. Then we'll go for the other settings inside this application. Okay. So there's a separate session for the table also. There is a separate session you can see in the curriculum. We get separate topic on
actually,
table.
Actually, what my doubt is before creating the city code and enterprise structure, the house number and the postal code, those things are available predefined. And they create BP role grouping from which table where we can define if a customer will ask for some other to create it. So where we have to create those things.
Yeah, telling out the more fields here. Yeah, please.
I think Vinod is asking about the configuration part for account groups.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. That's what I'm telling. We'll complete the full practice this configuration. Then we can check about other things. So first I'll show the whole process. Yeah, what you told is the account group and all. We are going to create in the IMG screen. So let me finish this process first. Then we can have the clarifications.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So give the name here. And this is not optional, mandatory field now. So we also how to make a mandatory optional field also. And we'll discuss about the tables also. The separate document table. We'll discuss that also. So give us some details. So I'm giving like a West State. The state is some West State something. I'll give here. And so it's not a mandatory. So country is a mandatory. Postal code also can fill postal code. And the city. So I'm Bangalore city. Customer is in Bangalore. This country will make IN. Region is so Bangalore is 10, I think. 10. 10 is Karnataka. And you can go more. You can get more fields here. If you click on this button, more fields. You get more fields like district. All the other details you can enter. And scroll down. Okay, mandatory is this language. Take the language here. The other things are optional fields. We can make mandatory field also. I'll show later how to do that one. So this is the address window, this address overview. So I also come to this later, how to make your own. So if the customer has multiple address, I also how to do that also. So now this is standard address. This is standard address now. I can make address for different usage here. Also later how to do that one. So other tabs are there. In the identification, some details are there, like legal form, this intersect. Also later, I'm going to show all these things, how to configure in the IMG screen. Also later. And it's a control, because some more options like this also used for field setting. Also later that also. These are payment transactions, like in the bank details you mentioned here. Like there's some more tabs are here. Okay. So this is general. This is the general. I can get the general role. So I'll save this one. So this business partner 451 created. This is a BP code. This is a general code. This is a general code. This is common for the customer supplier. We are going to get the KRF as a customer as well as supplier. His now code is 40,51. The customer code is it's not a customer code. It's not, you cannot call customer code. This is a BP code. BP code common for the customer and the supplier. Okay, so we made a master data as a general role master data. So this common for the.
So Shekhar, just to know, so as you are saying that is a common role, common partner, right? So means what you're saying that in case of intercompany scenario, we use the customer. So where there we will utilize this business partner, or where we will utilize this general partner?
So general. So to make the link between the customer and supplier immediately, we have the business partner role. This is a general role. So this can. You
can give me some example where we can utilize, means where we'll use this kind of general partner in our SAP process.
So we are not going to use anywhere. We are not going to use anywhere. When you search for the customer master data, you can use the BP code. So this is not going to be used anywhere else. Okay, so maybe one more relationship is there. We can link this code here. Later I'll show this relationship. There we can use the general role. We can use that. Okay, as of now, so relationship means like making the contact person or sales employee in the master data. We'll use this BP. This is a BP code. So otherwise we are not going to use it. It's just a identification that both the customer and supplier are the same person. That's why we are having this BP code. To make that customer supply same code, we have this to connect with them, to connect the customer and supplier with the same person. We have to use a general role code here. Okay, so this can be used to a relationship. We'll come to a relationship later. That also is a link. What is how to link that in the relationship? So as of now, it's not used. Not going to be used anywhere. Only for relationship. Only are going to use the business part of this BP code. It's just identification. Yeah.
Yeah, and I hope you will also cover the different tabs, right? Legal tab. You have shown some identification.
Yeah. I'll show you how to customize everything.
Yeah. Is it related to some GTS related activity or what? If just explain if it means when you are going to cover the next customer.
I didn't get.
Oh, I'm saying so different tabs are right. Legal form, legal entity. So what is the use here and where the utilization? Suppose we are maintaining, so where it will utilize, or and is it related to some GTS related activity or what?
As of now we are can use for GTS site. We can use that, but mostly. So actually you can see this is a BP code. The window is same for the customer, supplier, and as well as customer, supplier, as well as the credit manager. Also same thing here. The finance role all is in the same thing. So can be used for by different departments. So same can be used for CRM module also. The same business partner can be used for CRM module also. So that in that case, whoever having this the particular demand, they can use that. I think this mostly is for a CRM function, not for our customers' data. So that's the thing. Yeah, because the same master data can be used by the different departments, different like CRM, customer supply. They can use the same window. HR also can use this one. So in that case, legal form can be applied in that case. So not related to the sales transfer directly here. because the BIP was common for different modules. So some of the fields only for the other modules. Now we can't, we need not use for custom master data. Okay. So I'll come to the later. I'll show the configuration, but I'll explain some more things in that. Okay. So I'll note your these concerns. I'll reply to that later. So now this general role, we have made a general role. So now we change to customer role and the finance role. Customer role, customer finance role. So now it's a display mode. Once I save this one, it became the display mode. So you can't enter anything. It's a display mode. To change the role, go to display to change. Display, switch between display to change. You can go here, or you can go for business partner, display to change. There are two options. Whether two ways, you can go for display change from here, F6, or you can go here again F6. Okay, this is a general role. Now change to the supplier role, this is customer role. Change customer role. You can click the arrow button and this down arrow. Type FLC. FLC is for first is a finance customer. You go for SD customer FLC user one. FLC user one. SD customer standard. So this is the window for the customer role. So you can see all the world views and other. You can get some more. You can see some more tabs here. If you go for general customer general data. So this is the customer number. See, now it's internal number. I can make internal, external as well. Now it's internal number. Once I finish this, save this this master data, the sales role, you'll get a number here, internal number. You'll get the customer number. This will be different from the VP role number. So I'll get a new number. When I save this button, I'll get a new number here. That'll be different from the BP role number here. Okay. So this is the different tabs in the here. This again the same general data only. This is the SD view. So as I told, as we see in the ECC, we have the three roles: sales, finance, general data. For a sales role, you can go for this one, sales and distribution. To enter the sales details, you can go for sales and distribution. So once you click on this one, you'll get the details here. So enter sales organization, your sales organization. So what we get the interface structure. So yesterday we created TRG, yes. We created yesterday TRGS. This was TR. And this is also TR. Enter. So we get the sales area now. What we get yesterday. You can enter more sales area. You can add more sales areas here. And here this is a mandatory for sales district. Already we know the ECC. We can take one of the sales district. So I'll take something like southern region, some region. And this you can see in the same in the old ECC existing one. So those fields are coming here. Sales district, sales office. So what you get will be automatically uploaded here. This is my sales office and my sales group. Okay, so here these things are already there. So if you scroll down, you'll get some more fields. You can link the price group. It's a mandatory thing that they have made, price group. So this we used in the sales order. Sales order gives a price group. Like this, you can use that. This is only for reporting purpose, not for any direct functionality. For reporting, filter is in the price group. And the customer pricing, we already know the pricing concept in the old ECC. So we can link the price determination using the customer procedure. So by standard, it is by default taking standard. And we have for the settlement, later also the rebate management in S4 HANA, you can enable this settlement management. It's a shipping tab. We have delivery priority, like the same you want to see in the Excelsior one. Take on delivery priority, delivering plant. So you can use our delivering plant. Shipping conditions, this will be linked with the shipping point, link with the shipping point. So other things are you can leave this one. So enter and billing, you can fill that in-code terms. So you know that you can link the calendar and in-code terms. You can take a FOB. You can by default make here. Then no need for entering the sales order. You can automatically populate in the sales order. So I give FOB and the location. Second location like it's a Bangalore customer. It's a Bangalore. And link the terms of payment here. Okay, now I can enter. So, okay, this we'll do this later. I'll remove this one. Then go for partner functions. So this so once you save this, like get a number. So this is a sold party, will party, will get a number here. This is a number. This is a beep master general role. It's a general role beep master. When I save this, I get a number here. When I press save, so other things are here. So additional data and some more tabs are done. Okay. So once I save this one, I'll get a number here. I'll get a number here. Task creation is a required. So somebody has got a mandatory field. Some student has a mandatory field. So it's actually a general mandatory field only. We can link the tax code. We'll take tax exempt. Save this one. So you can see the partner first. We'll get a new number now. This is a customer number. So this is the general number, BP number. This is a customer number. Okay, so we got a customer number. So changes have been saved. I got two numbers now, BP number as well as a customer number. So in all your sales order, any sales transaction, you use 402. We are not going to use anything in this code. We are not going to use any of the sales document. Only use this 402 in all the sales document, sales process. Okay. If you go for general data, click in the same role, click on general data, and customer general data will get the customer number. So this is 402 is the customer number. Okay. So now we can make two roles now. Next role is supply customer finance role. So change the role to now FLC U00 FI customer standard. FI customer standard. So now here nothing is mandatory here. So you can again get some more tabs here. Go for communicate data. So as in the old EC system, next is the finance section. So in the S4HANA BP master, that's done by company code. Click on company code, again the company code details. So here by default take 110 in the test server. Go for switch company code. Change to your company code, switch company code. You can always a customer number, switch company code. Change the company code to your company code. TRG, my company code. Enter. So this is my company code. Customer is 402. So here mandatory reconciliation account. So I already know what is reconciliation account. From the list you can take accounts domestic, payable, receivable domestic. So go for this one 121 customer receivable domestic. In some server will be different. In another server the account is chart account, this number will be given. And this is a mandatory field release group. So that you can make mandatory absolutely anywhere. You can make from anywhere. So somebody has made this one. So now these are other windows, other tabs. Let's save this one. So when you click save button, your customer master is complete. So I made reconciliation account mandatory. What happened? So somebody has made a mandatory entry. Okay, so somebody has a mandatory entry, but it's already mandatory entry only. Okay, let it be like this one. So I'll show how this were a mandatory entry. I'll show that later. So I think we'll take a break now. We'll take a break now. We'll go, after 15 minutes, we'll come back. We'll go for a configuration. So it's already done. Only the finance customer role, and not able to show because I'll show in the system how to make this field mandatory optional fields. We'll take a break now. We'll come back at 10:40. 15-minute break. We'll come back 10:40. So that will continue the configuration part. So one more thing I'll show you. So once you make this customer's data, can go find option. So it's not saved here. So one second, I'll show the find mode, then we'll break for that. So you want to see the BP master again. I already made the BP master. You want to see that again. Again, go for BP code. This is search option. This is search option. You can go for search by customer number or the supplier number or general number. If you for customer number, click here customer number, go for search option. So give your company code or sales transaction company code. You have so many options to filter the list. You go for this option. Enter. So this one we made now 402, customer is 402. Open that, start, double click, you get the same window. This one we made now. Company, this is general role. You want to see the sub customer role, change to FLC. You get the details in the sub customer role. You can go sales institution, see the details there. Okay, this is a beep master creation. So after the break, we'll go for the configuration part. So what I have done, we have made it beep master. So some of things like table changes, we can discuss later in the whole concept. Separately can discuss that. First, we'll go through the configuration and creation part. For other things we'll see during the course of it. So as I told, there are two account group needed. So what we are going to see now, we made a customer's data and how to make that roles, how to make the roles. First we'll see how to make the grouping and number range. First we'll use the first we'll go through this process, how to make this group, here, how to make the group and how to assign the number range. So make customer data, we are getting the 402 is a customer code. How to configure that, how to configure the grouping, and how to make field optional, field mandatory, field settings, how to make automatic mandatory, and how to make your own role. This I think we'll going to see that. Okay, so we'll go for configuration part. So first we'll start the account group. So as I told here, we had two account groups, one for general role, one for supplier or customer role. Okay, first we'll get the account group. So the account, so this account group, I told you two account groups for the customers. We need two account groups, general and supplier customer role. So for that, you make the number in different folders in the IMG screen. So in the like earlier we did in the ECC for XT01 we went for customer account group. So here also we need two places to make the account group. One in the finance module, then account group, one in the finance role, another in the cross application. This we're getting one more module like functionality, this folder cross application. So most of the S4 things are coming under cross application. So we had to make two number and just two account groups, one for the general role, one for general role, one for finance role. Two account group, one for general role, one for finance role. So for the finance role get under finance module, and customer role get under cross application module. And we link both of them. In the cross application itself. Okay, so we have to make two account groups, one in finance accounting section, one more in the cross application section. So go here, we'll go to IMG. First we'll start the finance accounting, we'll make the customer group in the finance accounting. So go for financial accounting. Then go for account receivable, accounts payable. Then go for customer accounts. If it is vendor, go for supplier account, otherwise go for customer accounts. Master data, the same thing what we are seeing in the ECC in this section. Preparations, make a new account group with screen load customers. The same window what we see in the ECC, go for new entries. So give an account group name. So I'll give RKS A some name. So I'll put some name here. Account group for RKS, something like this one. So other things are not mandatory. Actually, this is only for finance code. We are using that. We are getting the field selection, but these are overshadowed by the main the BP settings. So need not be anything here. Just make the account group a number range. So no need for a field status and all. First make the account. So just make the account group and the name, code and the name. So this for the finance role. We have to make this name, account group name, code and name. Okay, the field settings are there, but they are overpowered by the S4 HANA settings. So now go back. This account group for finance. Go back. So this is not needed. We don't need all these things. This is for ECC, old ECC. So go for number range. Next one is number range. Create number range for customer accounts. Like how we saw in the early ECC, same thing only. Create number range for customer accounts. So this is a number range screen. So already you know how to do this one. To make a new number, you can go. So you can see on the stage here, we can get some more tabs here. ECC it was not there. We had option to get free intervals. So which one the number is not assigned, we can get the free intervals. It's a free intervals. We got the insert line and we have delete line also there. And we external internal. We have the external internal option also. Okay. So if you don't know which is available number, you can go for free intervals. Click on free intervals. So nothing is there. Okay, summary there. So these are the number range available. Others are used by other students and other users. So here we can take one of the number range. So I'll take one long number range. I'll take this number range. So this is a free interval. It's available. This number is available. Take one of the interval. If you not take this one, you can go for this of the insert interval. Manually can make the number range. But here you can find the number range is not occupied already. You can find the free intervals. So for in that case, you can use the free interval. No need for search for the available number range and click that. Go for these free intervals. So you can make alphanumeric also. Also that also. Also the external number as well as that alphanumeric also. So change intervals. Go for free intervals. So I'll take one of the number range, available number range. I'll take this one. Start with 1801. Enter. So number is 09. Interval is 09. Save this one. So made a number range for a finance accounting. Number range is 18012 to 7999. Okay, so during the practice, you reduce the number range. So other students can, otherwise all will be occupied. We will not be able to use the number range. So I'll take reduce the number. So I need only 10 customers. I take 1810 or 1820. So my number range is from 1801 to 1820. When I use this number range interval in the account group, I can make up to this 801 to 820. I can make some 19 customers. I can make this number range. Okay, we'll say this one. So made a new number range. 9. 09 is a new number range. Now come back. Close this one. Assign number range to customer account group. Same concept with ECC. Assign number range to customer account groups. So go for position. So that is account group is what we made was RMS C and RMS A. What was the name I gave? RKSA group name. So number is just 09. We made a number is 09. So link 09. This one we made now 1801 to 1820. Say this one. Say enter. So made a new number in 09 assigned to new account group. Okay, this is done. Now come back. The finance account, this is the thing we need. Other things are not necessary. One finance accounting, one is customer account group and number range creation, assigning the number range. So finance account that much only. You can close finance accounting. Next, you can make the customer code in the cross application components. So next, you can go for cross application components. So go here, cross application components. That comes under here. S/4HANA system, we are having the cross application. You can see the lot of things are the cross application. We have the BP master SAP business partner. We have the single master synchronization. We have the some of the one thing was output. The BRF is done from here only. The output control in the S/4HANA BRF that done through from here only. Output control. We have the IDAC monitor. So many things are in the cross application. So these all are new things in the S/4HANA. So for our number range creation, go for under cross application, SAP business partner. SAP business partner. Go for here. Here again business partner. Go for basic settings. Go for business number ranges account groups. Number ranges and groupings. So here make one more group. Here make one more group and one more number range. Define number range first. So again you can go for change intervals. You can go for free intervals. Take one of the number range. So I'll take this one. So my general, this is general number. What we are getting is for general number. First, what I get the finance account, that's for finance role and the supplier customer role. This for the general role. What we are getting is for the general role. So 360012, this number. So I'll reduce the number range. So I'll make this as so the other students can use the number range. See the last number to some 20. Make external also. Say this one 06, number is 06, interval is 06. Say this one. Get done. Now come back. So number is 06. New number is 06. So next is now grouping. So different grouping is now same number ranges. So here go for new entries. Click on new entries. So give the grouping some name, again some name. So I'm giving the same thing I'm giving here. So it can be same or different. I give the same thing. And short name for that. So that are again the same thing. And description, you can give some description like account group for RKS. I don't know RKS RMS. So give RKS. And number range of 06. 0 is the number range. This one. And the external number, if you put external in the number, external will be ticked here, auto will be ticked here. Some standard grouping, linked with the main grouping, the standard grouping, the external, internal standard grouping, external. So that can be, we can make a link between different groups using the standard grouping number. So that's not required, basically, because they mostly use the CRM or they are using this option. So make one of the group as a standard group. So say this one. So this is a group we made, RK is a group. Made a number range also. So next step we link the both the groups. We made only finance accounting one group and cross subdivision made one more account group. Now we are going to make the link between the account groups what we created. So we're going to make the link between the groups what we have created. So for that, same cross application, master data synchronization, here. Go for customer data integration. There you go for BP setting, business order settings. Then go for customer integration, setting for customer integration. Again, go for field assign for customer integration. Then go for assign keys. Here, different number is assigned for direction BP to a customer. So what is direction BP to customer is? So in the BP master, when you're making the customer BP general role first, there's a BP to customer. So in the BP creation, if I take the first step is making the general role, that is this scenario, BP to customer. Instead of that, so when making the customer data, first you are taking the customer role, then go for the general role. So that will use the second option. First when you make a customer master data, first itself you are using the standard SD role, then it is the second option. This is the second option. First is the first general role, then customer. Here first customer role, then general role. So we'll take the first option, assign keys. So here again go for new entries. So give the group what you created in the finance accounting, both you get link here. So go for the RKSA from the finance accounting. So this RKSA and what we made a second step. So both you are linking here. So that was RKSA again. Okay. So what is same number? Same number means if you want to maintain the customer and general role, both numbers are same. So what I'm telling is, so when you're making the customer master data, we're getting two numbers, one for general role, one for the customer role. We are having different numbers. We want the same number. You want the same number for the general role as well as the customer role. In that case, you can check this box, same number. But the condition is the number range should be same. For both the groups, number range should be same. Then you can fix the same number. So the general number also will be same number, customer role also be number, and the supply master also can be same number. In that case, we take the same number. Condition is both the groups are in the same number ranges. Then you can fix the same
question, sorry.
Okay. Okay.
What is the general practice in the business? Whether they keep same number for both or they normally go with the different number?
So that's according to the client requirements. So some clients will need the same number, so there will be no confusion. They want the same number. In some cases, they want to classify between the different customer supplier and all the three things. So customer supplier same different number, BP role numbers different separate number. So the convenient is mostly the same number concept, but some clients will need their different number for both all the roles.
So can we keep same number for general customer as well as vendor?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, we can do that. So, but the condition is all the group make the same number range.
Yes.
Number range should be same. Then you can make the same number for all the three functions. Okay.
Thanks.
You'll save this. Yeah, you're welcome. So save this one.
And Shekhar, if you go with the different number range and the earlier you created the customer, right? Internal customers, and then you maintain the sales views as well. And there is a different number generated, right? For sales.
Different number. Yeah.
So when I try to search any customer, how we can search with the business partner or search with the customer which will get created?
Yeah. So when you go for BP search option, you're telling about here only, no? So we get the option to search here by customer number or supplier number or the general number, BP number. So we get some options, 9 options are there. So if you want the customer number, you can go for this one and go for search option here. When you give the sales, you'll get the customer number. You'll get a customer number. If you want such a general number, so this is for the customer number. You get a document, you can double click and open. So otherwise, if you go for the number, only for number, then search here by business partner. So then you have to put number manually here. That option is not coming. That list option is not coming. So you can either enter the number manually here. Otherwise, you can go for this option by name. You can go for name wise.
If I search by name, then what will be the option will come up? Like KRF, you
So what I created, what name was given? KRF. So here, so I'll close and open. It's already selected. I'll go close and open. Go for the name by customer number. Go for by name. So KRF, no? So
KRF star.
KRF. Yeah. You can put star also. Yeah. So go for start. So same thing is coming.
Okay. Now with this, this is a general right? And if I want to search what is the sales customer for this one?
Where? I didn't get in the BIP master documents.
But here you can't search with the name, right? If I don't know the name of this, I just want to search the customer with the name. Then, but here I need to put up the customer name, right?
Yeah, you got customer number is there. Customer name, customer number is there. Customer name is not here. Only the general name is there. Only customer name is not separately here. So anyway, the name will count for all the three models. Now, so name is enough here because the name will count for all the three functions. General finance supply, the name is same thing only. So you can search by name itself.
Yeah, I searched with the name. I got the customer as well, that business partner. But how I can come to know that with this name, what is the partner is appeared here? What is my customer code?
Okay, then you open this one. Go for this one. Open first. You get open, then you can check this. Go for the. I can go for change the role now. So go for SD role, customer standard role, SD's role. Now go for customer general data. Click on customer general data. You'll get a number. This is a number, customer number.
Okay. And in which table this data gets stored? BP 000 only?
No, I think some table. So I'll get a list of table changes later. So I think it's a BP 001. I think so. Say as a different table, customer number. That KV one also. That also used.
No, I think they are BUT 000.
But I'm talking about the Shekhar. See, means once we have this master data, if I want to generate any Z report or something, then my business partner number will be different, my customer number will be different. So how I can integrate all these things in a single report?
Single report you want. So
yeah, maybe in business, regular business, we can't rely only on the standard report, right? There are many Z reports we have to create. In such reports, then it will be difficult, right? If we have the different.
It was a breaking. So am I connected? Are you able to? Sorry, able to view my screen?
Yeah.
I think he got disconnected. I think
Ashish got this one.
So I'll come to that part later. I'll show that we'll go through the tables one time. So like,
Okay.
we'll go separately. Go that one topic will take changes in the S4 HANA tables.
Sure.
So here we've done this one. So we've done the assignment to the number ranges, assign number of direction BP to customer. So this is the thing, the base setting for the number ranges account groups. How to make the number range groupings. These are the steps. Okay, so I have the user guide also. I'll tell them to share the user guide with you. The whole with the screenshot, everything I had to put in a guide. You can go through that also. So now go for the BP mask creation. We must come to BP creation. Go for BP, equal to BP. So go for we'll go for organization. So I'll tell our person group later. So go for the general role. Now check the grouping. What we made of RKS. So RKS was a group. Take that RKS group. RKS group. So the other things are same thing only. So we have to only see the number. What number is taken for title? Take one title here. So I'll tell later how to make your own title. So name again, some more name, some other name. So I have GS and go for the address. So somebody has mandatory. I'll remove that mandatory later. So then postal code. So go for language. These are mandatory things. Okay, so this so general role. When I say this, we created the BP role, general role we created now. So make created 3600. See the number, what number is created. This for general role. What you done for general role? To go for the what number is given for general role in the number assign number ranges for RKSA. For RMSA. So number range was. So number range was this one 06. So what is 06? This is a number range. 0 is the number range. This is the one 36001. That number only we got here 36001. 36001. Okay. This was a general number. You can see down also message. You can see 36001 created. So now go for the change the role. Go for first display to change. To make change the role, you get go for display to change. Then the same thing. So change the role to FLC customer, ST customer. The different server will be different names. Some changes will be there in the name. So here everything is same. Everything is already there. Go for a sales and distribution. So make the mandatory entries sales area and distribution channel and the division. So you enter. So here nothing is mandatory. Go for so you can maintain the sales office and sales group. Enter. So then check the pricing customer pricing procedure also. Make here standard. The shipping, reacting, and delivery plant, and the shipping conditions. Okay. Okay, these are mandatory things. So he was asking about a legal thing. So legal. So what is the legal? This mostly for the sum of the field only for information. So like this legal form itself only for information. There's no functionality anywhere. Only for information. Maybe later when you want some Excel report based on legal form, you can use this functional. There's nothing particular about this. Only for information purpose. To fill the report later, you can use this field. So we have done this one. Sales and distribution. Save this one. Made a custom author data. So saved. If you want to see the number, go for general data. So when you are in the FLC U01, go for general data, customer general data. So number is 180. Number is 180. How it came from the finance account settings. What do you mean finance account? From that, this number was taken. So the finance account made this number. So here made the number. Here assign number is vendor account grows, customer account grows. Go for the position. That was RKSA. RKSA 09. So what is 09? So 0 only this one only 1801. Number is 1801. 1801. Okay, this is the number range concept. So next you change this financial. There's a error coming. The reconciliation account. I'll check that. So change customer finance role. Click on company code. Change the company code. Switch company code. By default, 1110 will be there. Change it to your company code. Enter. It's mandatory entry. Let's make one of the entries as a reconciliation account. Receivable domestic. List some list. These are also for information only. Say enter. Okay, then go for that. You can save this. Click over save option. I'm getting error message. I'll check this one. So request mandatory field. So I'm going to check this mandatory optional field in the coming session. So this is a customer's data. You made a customer's data and you created a own number range and you created a own account group. Okay, this is the customer's data. So a table will say discuss separately in the tables and all. First is just a process now. So any doubt in this section in the creation of BP master and the number ranges? Do you want to repeat again or anything like that?
Can we directly create this 1801 without creating the general number?
Yeah, that's what I told. That option I showed you know that first you can make BP master, then you can go for the general role also. So I told that option that to make in the number range assignment, there are two options. When you make the assignment in the cross application, there are two positions there, only for BPT customer to BPT. So first you can make the customer's data also, but this number assignment should be made like that for that. As in customer to BPT. So first make the customer ID, then go for the BP ID. So in this case, you get the second option, assign the second option. Okay. So when you practice, please check this one and any things we can discuss in the class. So this is a number range account group and number range concept. Okay. So now we'll go for some more configuration part. So what are configuration we can check in the BP master is? So one is the field settings, making the field mandatory optional fields and make your own role. There's some of the functions, some of the configuration we can see. And some more things are there when you go for the general data, in the customer general data and in the address, you get some address fields here. You have an address overview. So I can have more address here. So I have only Bangalore address, the customer is Bangalore, but you get different address. When he's vacation, he has one address, his office address is different. So in that way, how to maintain is, now already Bangalore is there. These are standard address usage. Let us show how to create your own usage also. So now we want another address. This is a Bangalore address. You want one more address for his office address. This is a house address. You want one for office address. So in that case, what you have to do is first make the new address. First you make a new address. Click on this create button. Click on this create button. Create. So another window, another address window will come. So again, give some details about address. So it's a mandatory, some state and the postal code, city. So this time city will be another place. I'll make city as Pune, city Pune, country code, and the region is Pune, Maharashtra 13. Enter. Okay, so language get maintained. So language. Enter. So we got two addresses now, Bangalore and Pune. So Bangalore address standard address. This is standard address Bangalore. We want as office address. So office address there. So let us show how to get one the company address. So now we get assigned Pune to the company address. We get assigned the Pune address to company address. Further, what you have to do is double click on company address. Double company address. You get both address. Second, I take the second Pune address and enter. So now company address Pune. So this is his usual address, house address, and his office address Pune address. Like this, you can maintain different address usages. So in the configuration, we'll see how to create their own usage also. Okay, this is BP creation and some settings there. So now we'll go for the settings one by one. We can make your own role and we can make your own field settings. So that comes to enter again in the IMG screen.
Shekhar, question
please.
here.
Please.
If mostly in the business scenarios, we have the multiple ship to parties for single customer, right?
Yeah.
So in that case, how we manage the multiple ship to address for the same customer?
So what you do is in the BIP master under the SD role, under SD role, sales role. So in the sales role, go for partner functions. So you're doing the partner determination in the like earlier. So how we made the partner function in the ECC, the same process in the here also in S/4HANA also. You'll get different partner functions here. So in the partner function, make is make a changeable field in the partner functions. Killing different partner function here. Take ordering ship to for example, one ship to address made one supplier. So another setting will make another customer as a shipping address.
But I can see that with the customer as a role, right? We should have the standard sold to party, ship to party, bill to party, and payer. These are the standard one, right?
Yeah, that'll come here. That'll make here only. He'll make here only. Part of function.
But all are this blank here. Means
because part the confidence is not done.
Okay.
So you can see that already we are seeing the ECC.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah, it comes
that partner function assignment is not done.
Yeah. We have to do that. Then will come. The sales and distribution will make that set.
But that will be remain as a ECC means. Then again, the data footprint will be there because for the same customer, if we have the multiple ship tools, is there no option with the address tab where we can assign multiple ship tools? No.
As I told you yesterday, so S/4HANA having 80% from the ECC only. The settings configuration 80% still from the ECC only if in S/4HANA. So as I told, they are planning 25 as a target for fully S/4HANA. So that time they may come with any some new settings or changes in the system. So as of now, you get to the partner determination here only. By ST model, you get to the partner determination. Then only you can see in the supplier customer's data.
No, I'm fine with that. Only my concern was with the address where if we have the multiple ship tools, whether is there any possibility instead of assigning a new partner function in the partner tab.
So you can link different customers here.
So that will again remain same as the ECC, right?
Remain ECC only, yeah. So you can see that. So you can already know that here we'll make the all the setting get made here.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so
thanks.
So as I told, it's 80% still from the ECC only. So major difference to cloud management and the Fiori app. Other things are mostly more or less output control little change. Some more additional functionality. Fiori is there. So otherwise 80% taken from the ECC only. Okay, next one is we'll go for the configuration part. Some more configurations. So do you want to check your system anything after some 10 minutes? Do you want anybody to want to check the system, try to practice? So last half an hour, do you want to clear it out or you want to try the structure, interview structure, anything like that? You can tell me. You can by 11:30 you can do some testing in the system.
Okay.
So first we go for the BP role. So cross-application components. SAP business comes under SAP business partner. So field settings and the role settings coming under cross-application SAP business partner. Then go for. So we get the BP roles. So some more other field groupings are here. These are field settings. Some more details are here. So to make a role, BP role. So BP roles are created from here only, different BP roles. These are roles we get in there, general role. And so different rules are there. So BP role. FLC, you can see FLC. This is the FLC for customer, FLV for supplier. So there are some settings inside. If you double click, we'll get some.
Can we create our own BP one?
Yeah, you can create. To get one thing, what is already standard is that you can copy from the standard and make changes.
Okay.
So these are setting inside supplier, this SD customer, FLC01. So title and name will be there. So here's some BP role. So you link, so for your main BP role, link some another role. You can link another role. So this is standard role. It's a standard SD customer. So this can be other students, not by the SAP standard. This will be given by the one of the user. This is BPU. So we can see that BPU interface control is BPU, FLC01. And there are some BP role categories linked with that. So this category again, so actually this it's mostly this BP role used by CRM module consultant to configure some more things for CRM. So not are related to the SD module directly. Yeah. Some of the BP functions, not only for SD, is applicable for the supplier as well as the CRM module. So some of them fully relevant for CRM module only. So actually, for SD our configuration, but we are not going to use role category and all. So role category basically you can see some more things are there. So some settings are there. So with the main role, you can list links and category. Such is not needed for us as a SD model. So mostly used by CRM consultants. So here, to want to create your own role, you can go for copy option. Go for copy option. Go for copy. Change the code and the name. Change the code and the name. So I make here I'll make here something like that. RMS something like that. So make your own role. So I give RMS BP. And you can change the name also. You change the name to your own role. It's very simple thing only. You can change the. So if you want to make changes, you can make the changes also. So role category is the standard is FLC01. So BP role. So you link the role category. So actually, what you can do first, this is a role category for the SD. You can press enter. It's copied now. You can save this one. Okay, so by default, role categories are assigned. So actually, there's the users get changed so many standard settings. So then this one's all actually coming from the. And this is standard setting only. So TRO. So my role is. So we made RMS. So you go back. This one we created now. RM. Yes, SBP. This is a new role we created. So this one not saying that. So RMS. What do you get? RMS. This one. So it's the one we created. So link the main category FLC user one category. So if you go for the BP creation, you'll get your one thing also. Get your one BP role. So you go for organization and BP role. That was RMS. You can see that is already there. So I create one role. So my own role is taken. Again, fill the details. So I can own BP role. So let me get one BP role. So that's a category. So when you copy, you can link the categories also. This is a standard setting. So role categories. These are role categories. So you can see different things are used here. So mostly HR also is this data, HR and the CRM. So some of the relevant for CRM and HR model, not everything for can see all the CRM roles. So some of things relevant for SD in S/4HANA, some more related to CRM and HR model. So grouping. So this is also not needed actually. This is also some BP role groupings. So you can link the groupings here. You can make a group of a role group so that when you make 3 roles and link the role groupings, so then that link will be there. If you're making different roles here, that will link between all the 3 roles. Those only can make as a master data. So for example, see here, somebody has made this one. It has some settings inside. You go for this one, BP roles, you'll get some like see your own roles, BP roles. So as far as the SD concerned, we don't need all these things. We need only the general roles, supply role, customer role, and the supply customer finance role. So that will not relevant for fully SD. So there's some more things are again role category group is there. So you try this one. This you can when you practice try this one. So you can try this one. Any discussion we can do in the class. You can try to practice these things. You can go through the things. If you want to know, you can go through things, and any doubts you can clear in the class. So this note also for the, so I can just basically the technical things. So we have the note view. So if you want to see some more thing, you can go for documentation also. So what is not, we can go for documentation also. So we can link the, when you're doing the printout or doing that thing, we can use the text ID. This is text ID. So you can see that table name here. But this is what a BUT 000. BP code, the PP table name is BUT 1000. Again, some more things are there. So these are not necessarily to be SD requirement, can be for other models also. Okay, so you can link the node views to the roles also, different roles also. So this already is seen. Number is already, yes, please. Tell me, please.
In ECC, we have account groups and where we map the partner determination procedure to that account group, and we have different account groups like for sold to party and ship to party. So based on that, we get partner functions. Like how it is managed in this S4HANA. Like
so the group is should be referenced to the partner determination is account group for finance. What meant first step when we do finance accounting, that group should be maintained here, the partner determination. So our group was we created two groups, one under finance account, one under cross obligation. For partner determination, use the account group created in the finance accounting. So do you want to check that one?
No, we have different account groups, right? Like suppose we have 0001 sold to party. Like when you select that, we get all the partner functions. And if we have 0002 the standard account group exclusively for ship to party. So do we how it is managed in S4HANA? Like
no, here not like that, not like that. So using the so in the bit master and the supply customer master data only.
So suppose I want to create only ship to parties. So how we will manage like?
So you want to make only ship to party.
Right.
So so when you go for the we'll go and take that.
I have one customer like with all the partner functions. I would like to add one more ship to party to the existing customer. Like
yeah, I'll do one thing. I'll just show that one. We'll understand that one. So I'll go for partner determination. So what it links is, so the basic thing is you can make any customer, any number of customers in the BP master, in the BP master. So under partner functions. So we are getting all the 4 partner functions. Okay, so in the partner determination setup here, so when you do for the customer supplier master here, so your partner take one of the partner functions. For example, take standard AG. We'll take for AG. We have the partner function procedure. So okay, go for. Okay, so yeah, do the whole thing, then we can get that. So sold to party. Okay, these are part of allowed. So here. So when making the partners determination setting, you don't check. You have to make this as changeable. You make the setup should be changeable, and the BP master creation. You link different customers here, different customers for each thing. For sold to party one customer, go over here, bill to party, take another customer's data. So for
Shekhar, like in ECC, we have planned customers, sales of customers. So how can we create those separate customers? Do we need to create whole customers master for all those things, or we have separate account groups in S4HANA to create those things?
No. It's the same master data only. Link the different customer master data. So
no, linking is fine. Linking in this partner tab, partner function tab is fine. But to create it separately, only planned customer. So can we create only planned customer, or we need to create a whole setup of all customer partners like BP, SP, PY, SH, that way only?
So in that customer, which one you want to assign here? In that customer master data, do not define all the partner functions. Only make the master data, all the two roles, all the three roles, and in that master data,
no, but how system will know it's a planned customer or it's a normal customer, standard customer?
Okay. So in that, so normally sold to party will be the main customer. Normally you take it as a customer master data. Okay, so okay, you want to know what which is the main customer? Main customer.
No. My requirement is to create a planned customer or sales of related customer for intercompany process or those setup, right? So how system know that this is a planned customer, this is a normal customer, this is a sales of related customer?
No,
where do we define those things?
So that is there's no separate setup for that. You can see the standard system. There's no separate setting for that. So when you go for searching for the during the transaction, what are saying will come out with the transaction. When you make a sales order, this party will come. That already know.
So like in ECC, we have different account groups, right? 001 is for sold to party. Then we have different account group for planned customers, which we can use to create a planned customer, right? So
that is not required. It is not required here. There's no requirement for that one. Okay, that make a master link the master here. So if you want to identify that, so you can create your own account group for that also. For different customers, many different account groups. So making the master data for that. For example, bill to party is another person. So this is sold to party. Bill to party is another. For example, 300. The code is 300. BIP master is 300. In that BIP master, the 300 BIP master can be created by using another account group. That's optionally, not mandatory. This 300 can be created.
That is a regular setup, Venkata, if you have that, right? I mean, if I assign a ship to party, multiple ship to party. So first I had to create an account group for the ship to party where only ship to party role will be there, not a sold to party. And then I can put up a multiple ship to party by creating those customers and assign the main customers as a ship to party locations. These are regularly we are doing in the SD. But my question here with the address, I can see that bill to party and pair address are there. So if I assign a different address,
no. So and what I'm telling is when you make the 300 customer, that address can be same. It can be different because we are going to. It's a new. It's another customer's data. So the 300. So that has to be taken as a bill to party address.
That's fine. That's fine, Shekhar. But can you go to the that address tab over there where we assign the address?
Yeah. So I'm telling about here.
Address that address over here. Yeah.
Here.
So here, if you see that, I can see the billing address, right? And pair address also. So if I assign a billing separate address, for example, one is the customer and his billing location, maybe corporate office, right? And they want to receive all the billing over there. So if I put up the billing address over here, so when I create a sales order, this billing address will automatically come up there as a billing address.
Okay, you are asking about the billing address. Yeah, basically it's not available here. It's taken from this one. Partner, you'll take the address from the partner function master data only. So address will be based on the address from the customer master data. The partner function which customer are carrying, like for 300 is a customer for billing address, and the bill for that 300 customer master data, what address there is the address for you, that will come there. But that's all that. So that you can make something as a default one. So normally
can you close again address over you for this for example this customers the standard address is where as a Bangalore location, right? That is sold to party. Sold to party address. Now I want when I create a sales order, what are the billing get created if I maintain the billing address, the different one, right? I created a new address over here and assigned to the billing address. So is that billing address will come up in the sales order without I assigning the partner function? Means I don't want to change the partner function as it is. The remain will be same. Only if I add the billing address over here, is this address will come up as a billing address in my outputs or maybe in the sales order or my invoice?
So can you allow me to check that for tomorrow? I'll just check and update you on that one.
Sure.
So you want the address to be taken from the?
Maybe we can try. Maybe
yeah. I'll special update you on that one. So just I'll miss that. I'll update tomorrow. So how to maintain the address for different partner functions. So let me check it tomorrow. So this is the BP master creation, BP role creation.
So, Sekhar, so are you going to take one more session for BP master for explaining all the fields?
So all the field, no, what I told, that was the table name we wanted.
Not table name.
This functionality and all.
In each field, the what is the functionality behind those fields? What is the use for those fields? Are you going to explain, right?
Yeah, I'll explain tomorrow again. So we'll complete the process.
Fine.
So it's in all the classes, in all our classes, first during the initial stage, we'll clear the previous doubts. In each class, we'll clear our doubts on the previous day doubts, and we can continue with the fresh topic. So like this. So tomorrow first I'll explain what is this field address means, address how it is used. I'll explain first, then we'll go for the fresh topics. Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Shekhar, the question is, are you going to cover all the fields in the BP screen like?
So I will not be able to between all the fields. All the fields I can't explain.
Which are relevant for SD.
So for example, if what is sales and distribution. So these are tabs under sales and distribution. So most of this already there in the ECC. There is not much difference. You can see sales, everything is under XD server also the same thing was there. The same thing customer pricing was everything same in the ECC customer master data. The additional thing is the settlement management. That when you're doing the settlement management, we'll activate and check this one. So this is the same only here. What is in the ECC, same thing. Go for shipping also, same thing only. Okay, so same thing for all the tabs only. So what I was saying in the ECC earlier, the same settings only, some fields are here. Okay, if you want, I can go through one more time. If you want to, so you can ask like tomorrow. We can discuss any other field. But these are the SD fields, sales related fields. They're same thing in the ECC system also.
So, Sekhar, there is one transport data tab is there, which we do not see in the ECC. So what is the significance of that?
Which
transport data?
Which
the tab? Last tab. Transport
data. Okay.
So what is the significance of this? I mean, we do not see this tab in the regular ECC.
Okay. So some LSP expert declaration. So this is part of the what is the transportation rules that so. Okay, like that you want to explain for the fields tomorrow. Okay. So then we'll go for fields. I'll explain some of the fields here. Tomorrow we'll explain some of the fields I'll explain here. What are relevant for SD, we'll check. So all these fields we'll go one more time tomorrow. So all these things.